Hello, this is John from our development site here in Des Moines, Iowa. Pella, our window supplier, just delivered a window package for us, and their slogan is "Open up to the possibilities," which honestly is exactly what we did on this development site. Originally, we had two options. Option one was to take a 1960s building, renovate it, what they call a value add, and increase the rents, and offer that as an opportunity for our investors. Option two was simply to tear down the building and build new. It turns out that on the site of the 6-unit building, we can develop 16 units, which obviously doesn't take a math whiz to figure out the potential increase in profitability on building 16 units on a site that historically only housed 6 units. So these are the kind of opportunities we seek for our investors. We are a development-friendly group, either looking for value-add deals or new development. And everyone likes new development these days. Take care. See you next time.